Ciao a tutti, sono Sara. Hello everybody, I'm Sara and welcome back to Italiano in 3 minuti. Learn Italian in 3 minutes. In the previous lecture, we learned about 1 to 10 in Italian. And in today's lesson, we will learn how to say 11 to 20 numbers in Italian. Let's begin. 11, 11, 11, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, then please subscribe it for more helpful videos like this. 13, 13, 13, 13, 13. If you liked the video, then please subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. Now let's move on to our next number. 14, 14, 14, 14, like 4, 10, 14, 14. Now let's move on to our next number. Our next number is 15. 15. 15. It's different from cinque. Cinque is 5 and 15 is 15. 15, 15. When I say a word, you need to repeat after me if you want. 16, 16, 16. This is similar to say 6. 16. Next one is, this is different from the last ones. 17, 17, 17, 17. Repeat after me. 17. Next one is 18, 18, 18. 10 is 10 and 8 is 8. 18. Next one is 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 10, 9, 9. 19, 19. If you want to repeat them, you can pause the video and repeat them if you want. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Now we will repeat them again. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16. Now the different ones. 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Thank you for watching Languages with Sara. Ciao e presto!